For fans that can't wait to redeem their loyalty points, we have a prize draw where they can instantly win rewards. To set up a prize draw, there are 2 steps. Step 1 is creating prizes. Hover over prize draws in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Here you will create the prizes you want to add to the prize draw. This could be team merchandise, fan experiences, coupons or offers from sponsors, or loyalty points. We are going to start today with a coupon from a sponsor. Give your prize a title and write a description. Fans can view this before participating in the prize draw. In the information for winners section, you need to explain to the prize winner how they can redeem this prize. This could be an email address to contact or a prize pickup location, and you should also include any time restrictions. If your prize draw grows to hundreds or thousands of prizes, you can keep track of the costs with turnover and costs. You can enter the net price of the prize and any costs, and we will calculate how much the prize draw costs your club. You can also determine how long the prize will be active in the prize draw and add a follow-up action. Upload an image, this is what your community members will see in the mobile app, and decide if you want to be notified whenever someone wins this prize. Click Save. Now we will create a prize for loyalty points. The process is very similar to coupons, only simpler. Enter a title and provide a description. Select the number of loyalty points and upload an image and click Save. Repeat this process for all prizes you want to include in your prize draw. Once you have created the prizes, you can create a prize draw. Give your prize draw a title, and in the description, you can explain to your fans how the prize draw works, how many loyalty points it costs to play, and how they can earn more loyalty points to keep playing. Adjust your participation costs and select your community. If you do not select your community, your prize draw is open to all MyFavorito users. Now you can decide how long your prize draw will be active for and make the prize draw statistics visible. That means community members can see all prizes, participations, and winners. You can also define how many times fans can participate per day. You can set a daily limit or leave the participation as unlimited. Upload an image. A round image with a transparent background will work best. Now we will fill the prize pot. Enter the prize title or select from the list. Decide how many of this prize will be available in the prize pot. You can also set the expiration time for prizes. If you check this box, the prize will return to the prize pot if not redeemed within a specific time. Repeat this process for all of your prizes. We will calculate the number of turns required to empty the prize pot, and you can adjust how often your fans will win a prize. Finally, you can write a message for fans that don't win a prize. There is a default message, but you have the option to personalize it. Click Save and your instant prize draw is now ready. So let's check it out in the mobile app. Open MyFavorito and go to your community. Scroll down and you'll now find your prize draw. Fans can view the prizes available as well as all participations and winners. Fans just need to press the button and play. If they continue playing, they might win, and your fans will receive instructions on how to redeem their prize.